Well, welcome to Making Sense of Facebook. Now I know you want to dive in, but before we actually get to some of the specific ideas and strategies that will help improve your campaign, I thought we would take some time and discuss the problem that most dealers admit to having, and that is that their posts, their offers, and their organic content pretty much goes nowhere. And I have got 3 reasons why I believe that's happening. Then we're going to turn to talking about how to fix it. So, reason number 1, you need to understand that Facebook is a social media platform. Keyword here, social. You know, users come to Facebook to socialize. They want to catch up with family and friends. They are coming here for entertainment. They're really not that interested to see your latest trade-ins. You know, users have gotten pretty conditioned to just skip over a lot of posts without even paying attention. Now they would prefer that we marketers not even be on the platform in the first place. You know, we got a technical term that we give this behavior. It's called ad avoidance. You know, the platform was never even built or designed as a place to go shopping. It was originally designed as a place to hang out and catch up with friends online. Now, ready for reason number 2? As a business and a dealership, Facebook actually restricts or throttles back your organic reach. They are actually going to limit the number of people who will see your non-ad supported posts. So on an average day, around 2 to 5% of your page followers will actually get to see a non-supported post. So let's do the math. Let's say you've amassed 10,000 page followers. It's a lot of page followers, but let's say you got 10,000 of them. That means around 200 to 500 are actually going to get to see that post organically. And remember, we just spoke about ad avoidance. The bulk of the people who are even on the platform most likely aren't even going to pay attention. They're just skipping by whatever you post, hitting that newsfeed. And the final reason why your posts go unnoticed, too much competing content. You know, every automotive marketer on the planet is publishing their inventory, their offers, their service specials, maybe even a quote of the day. It has become an avalanche of content. This makes your organic content even harder to find and dramatically increases the ad avoidance factor. So, how is it that you combat all of this? Well, I believe that dealers should stop focusing on the vanity metrics, which is how many page followers you have, how many likes you have, how many shares you've got, and switch our attention to targeted ads. With targeted ads, we know that we can reach the people who have indicated they are at least interested in what it is that we sell and send them an offer loaded with a lot of reasons to choose you.